Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a lawyer website like this with AI, without coding, without trying to move elements for 4 hours and being frustrated. So here, look at that. I got free consultation, case results, then I got also how can I help you, about me, the results that speaks for themselves, testimonials here. So for about me, I got the text here, practice areas, case results, and also contact me, where I have the contact form that is working. So this is something I'm going to show you how you can make by yourself in this video. Let's go. So what I'm going to use is a Claude Design for this video, and I'm using a Claude Pro account. It's going to be sufficient. So first, we're not going to use a Claude Design, primarily start prompting that we want to have a lawyer website. What I want you to do is you want to come to Google, right here, lawyer website template, and you can write there Webflow or Figma, or even you can write here Framer, and you are going to find plenty of templates to choose from. Now what you want to do is that when you are going to have a website, you want to download it as a PNG, because we are going to use it as the inspiration for our own website for lawyer. So now what you're going to do is that you have to write a prompt to Claude Design. It can be very simple. Just write there things that you actually want. So I want you to make me a website for a lawyer. I'm sending you a screenshot of a website as an inspiration, what I want you to make me. Also, I want there to have a little bit of animations, and then ask me questions regards to design, information, animations that you need to have. I want to have it mobile friendly. You can go with the Opus 4.8. If you're going to have multiple pages, go with the high or max. So choose something more powerful, but if it's only a landing page, you can go easier with Opus 4.8, or if you want to have even more pages but they're not complex, you can go again, choose Opus 4.8. It's going to be sufficient. Right after that, it's going to ask you questions. So it's going to ask you questions, right? Like I have here the lawyer name, the specialty, the location, what kind of pages you want to have there, and you can actually see what it made on a first take. And also I shared that something wasn't right there, so it fixed it. But as you can see, it doesn't look bad at all. When I come here to the new tab and I check it out what it made, I have the home. Maybe I would remove the animation. I can leave it there, but I would remove it. Then we're gonna come to about me, practice areas, case results, contact. Really good. I mean, it works. Now, what is important right here is that we're going to change the animation, and we want to do the two things at the same time. So like, how can we actually do the changes, and how we can add a contact form that is working on our website. So you can either write a change on the bottom left in the chat, or you can come here on a comment on the bottom right, where you can just, you know, do like this and change the text, change the fonts, or like do something. And then you can also click edit here, where you're gonna edit the text by yourself, that you don't have to write it to Claude. So for adding, changing the animation, I will write there in header, there is floating animation for picture. I want to have it static. Please make it static. Thank you. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is that for contact form, I'm going to send you Web3 forms. So this is something that we're going to use. We're going to use Web3 forms that is completely for free. You're going to click here, sign up for login, and you're going to come here to temporary email. And we're just going to wait until it's going to give us the email. Paste the email right here. And here you're going to use your own email, that where you want to get all the form intakes, okay? So we're going to get a verification code. And then it's going to provide us the, you know, the code and everything that we need. So I agree to terms and conditions, 250 monthly submissions completely for free. And then we're going to click create a form. We will write here the domain here. And I'm going to have access key. So this is where I'm going to write here the Web3 forms. Here is API key, and you're just going to paste it to it. And here is the code. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything like so overwhelmingly difficult, right? I'm just pasting it. Okay, it's going to do the work for me. So now you're just gonna send it, and that's how we're gonna do. So the next thing is that also we have to get a domain and hosting. So click on the link down below in the description. You will get to hostinger.com, and right there on the top left, you're gonna have pricing. So for the pricing, if you can have only this website, go with the premium. But if you want to have more websites in the future, you can go with the unlimited. This is the hosting. So choose the premium plan. It's the best in the market right now, and in my opinion. So there you're gonna have period. So if you want to be a long-term project, go for 48 months because the monthly payment is going to be cheaper, and have a coupon code, and right here, Marcus, apply. So there you're gonna have 158.88. So there you're gonna write a search, the domain. Okay, and first year is completely for free, so you can have it for 1 year or more years if you want, and you're gonna have the final price here. And when with the Marcus, you can have 10% off. You're gonna press continue, you're gonna buy it, and then you don't install any WordPress on Hostinger or their own Hostinger website builder, okay? Because what we're gonna do is that you see right now it's static, so I'm going to write to Claude, I want you to export me the main page as index.html and other related pages also as HTML, so I can add it to my hosting and also to my domain. Okay, now it's going to export me the website, and how the whole thing works is that you're gonna come here to Hostinger, and then on the top right, you can have profile that you registered with. And we have the contact form, everything is working. And all I have to do is that I have to come here to the websites. And here you're gonna open the dashboard for the website. And for the dashboard for the website, I'm going to click here and I'm going to click Files, File Manager. And we are just going to go to public HTML, remove everything that is here, and we are going to insert the files right here. So it already did it for me. So now I'm just going to click download here, and then I have to upload the file, and you're gonna have the file right here. So all you have to do is take the HTML pages and let's insert it right into the public HTML. As I mentioned, websites, files, file manager, access, company tutorials, and then we're gonna do and insert it. Now it's going to upload it for me, and I'm just going to wait until it's going to get uploaded. And then what is going to happen is the button is going to be there. Look at that. We got it, fully working website. And I can even test out the form here. Okay, so thank you. And now I come here to the where is the Web3 forms, go to dashboard, and look at that, we have the submission. Everything works perfect. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video was beneficial, and have a great day and goodbye.